How to share your iPhone screen on Windows 11, just like I'm showing you here. Guys, I'll show you quickly. You won't have to pay anything. It's completely free, okay? So let's get started. Here on Google, you just need to type AirDroid, or you can type AirDroid Cast Web. Typed it in, hit enter on your keyboard. The first site that appears is the one you'll use. Click on it. It's completely free. Just wait a moment. A QR code will be generated here. Now let's move on to the iPhone. On the iPhone, open the App Store. You can tap on it. Now you're going to download AirDroid, okay? So you tap here to search for AirDroid, type in AirDroid, AirDroid Cast, and AirDroid Cast will show up below, then you tap on it. After tapping, you'll come to this page. Notice that since I've already downloaded it on my iPhone, this symbol is showing up, but on yours, you'll see the option to install. Tap to install it and wait for it to finish. It doesn't take long. Once the app is installed, you'll see the word open appear. Tap it to open the app. Now tap here to continue. It will ask for permission to access your microphone. Tap allow. If you want to receive notifications, you can allow it. I don't want to, so I'm going to tap here to deny permission, and that's it. You'll land on this page. On this page, you'll now scan this QR code. By scanning this QR code here, you'll mirror your screen quickly, okay? So you just need to tap this symbol here. Go ahead and tap it. Since you're going to scan it, you'll need to use your camera, so tap here to allow it. And now what do? Take your camera, the scanner that just opened, and use it to scan the AirDroid here, okay? It's very simple. So you're just going to position it to scan, position it to scan. When you position it, this message will appear on your computer, okay? You need to allow it. So tap here to allow and notice that on your phone, on the iPhone, it will be waiting for confirmation. Tap allow and wait a moment. Here you can tap allow and then tap start again. Wait a moment and the screen will be mirrored here, okay? We're going to share the iPhone screen on the PC. Done. I've already shared it here, guys. I'll enlarge it here since I don't need to show the iPhone recording anymore. It's already mirrored here. And now, don't close this window. Do the following. Minimize this window here. Drag it down a bit at the bottom. Just pull it down a little and let go. Go to this page, minimize it again, okay? You can click outside now and that's it. You've just mirrored it. It's optimizing the screen resolution here. You've just mirrored your iPhone on Windows, okay? So everything you do here now will be mirrored there. You can simply use it however you prefer. All right, guys? So it's simple for you to share your iPhone screen on Windows. The quality is amazing, okay? You can use it however you think is best. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget, help me too. Subscribe to the channel.